this man over here has some issues.
Billy Jean was my lover.
We were riding down the street, just back behind us, and he goes, Billy! And he screamed really loud in my ear. I'm deaf now.
We haven't recorded anything all day today, Billy.
That's why I brought the camera.
We're halfway through the day.
I'm the cameraman.
Some of these lawns
We're
are really
than
drying
halfway
out.
through the day.
You don't even know, you have the camera pointed at the back of your seat. Some of these lawns are really drying out. We need rain, rain, rain. I never thought I'd say that this year, but we need rain.
Oh, but I thought it had a wide angle lens, so I can see the whole shot.
It does have a wide angle lens, but your head's so big you can't tell.
I'm not that big.
We need some rain, Billy. We're gonna be in trouble here. We're gonna be skipping some lawns next week. That's faux show. If we don't get some rain.
Yeah. What is he doing?
I don't know. I thought that old man was gonna dump that bike going around the corner. But we need rain bad.
On my mind, so saying with hope and you were sure I couldn't agree that we were meant to be, but our love is what they talk about in movies. Our love is what they talk about, Yeah, we were wild and free, and you know everything about me. So wild and free, and you know everything about me. You know.
Okay, so there's something we're gonna do, and I'm gonna set you right there for a minute. Kinda, right there. Lift up a little bit. I got bugs flying all over me. What's going on here, Billy?
I don't know.
But there's something we're gonna do. I was thinking about it for the last couple days, actually. But I wanted to ask permission first. And the permission I had to ask was from Brian. He used to do a thing back in the day called Ask Top Notch. And it was where you guys could leave comments and ask anything that you wanted. And then he would take just a couple minutes, like once a week or every few days or whatever, and ask the question. So you could ask him or ask Alvaro or Jesse. So we're gonna do the same thing, and it's just because I keep getting a lot of questions, like in private messages, instant messages on Instagram and emails and stuff, asking like just certain random questions, like, you know, what's your favorite kind of mower out of all the mowers you use, or, you know, what's your favorite trimmer you use, or, you know, people have asked me, what does Billy over here think about weed whacking versus mowing, or how's he like the walker, just random stuff like that. And so I think that Brian had the same thing going on, so he started the Ask Top Notch. And then what do you do? Like I said, you guys would say who the question was for, and then he would ask it. So that's what we're gonna do. And you guys are gonna, the way we're gonna do is, because I don't want to have to keep searching through past videos to get the questions every time we do it. So what you guys are gonna do is you're gonna go on my Instagram, Countryside Vlogs, at Countryside Vlogs, and if you have a question, and you can just send me a message in there, like a direct message on Instagram. And what I'll do is, once I get a bunch of them built up, then we'll do a little session like this next to the truck or something, and you know, I'll read through them and I'll say, okay, this question's for Billy, so and so wants to know, what's your favorite part about driving the walker? And then he can answer it. We'll do it like that. If you guys remember, that's how Brian used to do it. If you don't remember, go back and look at his videos. He has them titled. It says like ATN. It doesn't stand for attention. It stands for Ask Top Notch. But that's how he did. So we're going to do something like that. So once I get a few questions built up, then we'll do that. And depending on how many of them come flowing through, we'll do that like every couple days or something.
Close foul. It means getting my butt beat. But anyways. That's karma, because you threw it at me.